Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the OMEN by HP gaming chair.
Hi, and welcome to HP How To For You, HP's customer support vlog. I'm Steph, and this is Bill, and we're here to bring you tips, tricks, and how-to information to help you get the most out of your HP products.
Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the OMEN by HP gaming chair.
Let's get started.
The first thing is the backrest.
A quick note on this one. You'll notice that the screws we'll be using to attach this to the seat base are already installed in the backrest. This makes it so that you don't have to figure out which type of screw goes where.
These are 4 of the 8 M8 screws that come with the chair. Next is the seat base with armrests.
The other 4 of the 8 M8 screws are already inserted, which we'll use to connect the seat base to the chair mechanism.
And here is the chair mechanism. It will be attached to the seat base and allow you to adjust the seat height and backrest angle. This is the 5-star base, along with 5 caster wheels, the gas lift piston and the piston cover, along with 2 side covers for the backrest.
We also have 2 M6 screws and 1 Allen key, so we can assemble this chair.
First, we'll attach the backrest to the seat base with armrests. You'll need to remove the 4 M8 screws and washers from the backrest using the M8 hex Allen key. Then, align the backrest and the rear of the seat base, so you can put the 4 M8 screws and washers you just removed back in. Order of assembly is washer first, then the screws. If for any reason you need to take this apart, just remove the 4 screws and washers from the backrest. Remove the backrest from the seat base, then put the screws and washers back into the backrest for safekeeping.
It's starting to look like a chair. To finish off the top here, we'll attach the right and left side covers to the backrest using the M6 screws.
If for any reason you need to take this apart, just remove the screws and the side covers, and of course, you can put the screws back into the side of the chair for safekeeping.
Now, we'll attach the chair mechanism. Remove the 4 pre-installed M8 screws and washers from the bottom of the seat base. These things tend to fall into the gap at the base of the chair, so keep your eyes open and fingers tight. We don't want them to disappear. After you remove those, align the chair mechanism according to the directions on the bottom of the seat base. Once in place, we need to put the washers and screws back. Washer first, then the screw. If, for any reason, you need to take this apart, just remove the washers and screws and the chair mechanism from the seat base. As always, you can put the washers and screws back into the seat base for safekeeping.
The next part, we have 5 caster wheels that we need to attach to the 5-star base. If for any reason you need to take this apart, just pull the casters back out.
All right. Now we get to put the base on the chair. Insert the gas lift cylinder into the 5-star base and then slide the cylinder cover over the cylinder. Align the base and chair and then connect them by inserting the gas lift cylinder into the opening on the chair mechanism.
This is where you could use a friend. I think we could all use a friend sometimes.
I guess I'll be your friend today.
If for any reason you need to take this apart, simply turn the chair on its back, pull the 5-star base out of the gas lift cylinder, and remove whichever parts you need to remove. We're almost done. All we have to do is attach the lumbar cushion and headrest cushion so I can get to gaming. Pull the straps of the lumbar cushion through the backrest openings from the front to the back.
Then connect both buckles from the bottom and the top of the backrest to secure and adjust the lumbar cushion.
The headrest cushion is basically the same. Just pull the straps through the backrest openings, then connect the buckle to secure it. If for any reason you need to take the cushions off, Unbuckle them and remove.
We're done! Now I can adjust the chair to fit me so I can start gaming.
The 4D armrests can move in and out, forward and backwards, up and down, and be angled left or right to mold to the body for epic gaming. Along with the arms, you can adjust the seat height by lifting the right side paddle here. You can adjust the lower seat tilt from 1 to 17 degrees by lifting the left side paddle here. And finally, you can adjust the backrest by lifting here. Okay, that's it. So Steph, what's your game of choice these days?
You'll just have to find out. And that's a wrap. You can find more videos like this on our YouTube channel at youtube.com/hpsupport. You can also find us on Twitter and Facebook at our support channels and on our support community at
community.hp.com.
You can find us and other people just like you answering questions about your HP products.
Bye.